Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble former. Start by preparing your dough or clay to the recommended hydration and place the former on a flat, stable surface. Press gently and evenly to form the initial dome, then rotate and release with a smooth motion. If you need finer detail, trim excess and rehydrate edges sparingly. Take your time and practice to build steady, repeatable results with less waste. Gather a non-stick bubble former, your chosen material, and basic finishing tools before you begin. Prepare the bench area with clean cloths and a flat board to avoid slips. Measure and mix material to a consistent hydration level so the former fills evenly without sagging. Keep a small spray bottle of water and a blunt trimming tool for quick corrections. A simple setup speeds workflow and reduces failed attempts during practice. Begin by centering a well-prepared lump of material onto the former, then press with even, steady pressure to avoid thin spots or bursts. Rotate the former while maintaining a light hand to encourage uniform thickness and smooth curves. If small flaws appear, use a damp fingertip or spray to smooth edges right away, then trim excess carefully. Practice different pressures and speeds to discover the settings that work best for your tools and material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.